What is going on, guys? It is Garfunkel, and we are back with another unboxing or unpackaging of Smile Direct Club aligners. If you guys aren't familiar with my story so far, please go back, check some of the videos before, so that way you are up to date and in the know of what is going on with my progress with Smile Direct Club. It is a little bit different than probably some of the other journeys that you might have seen on YouTube, and we are at the next step right now with this package. To briefly go over what's going on, I had a 4-month progress with Smile Direct Club. After those 4 months, my teeth were not nearly as straight as I wanted them to be, so I had to go get reevaluated, and they made me some new aligners. Now, I'm assuming that's what these are. You can't really tell it's from Smile Direct Club because it really doesn't say anywhere other than this tiny little Smile Direct tag on the package. It's not like the original box that we got, the nice big purple box. It was branded everywhere. This one is just a little dinky piece of plastic. I am super excited that this package finally came in. I got reevaluated on May 18th, and then this finally came in on June 28th, which is about 6 weeks, just over 6 weeks. Now, the typical turnaround for Smile Direct Club is supposed to be 4 to 5 weeks, and we beat that by a full week for a couple of aligners. That's why I'm so happy that these aligners have finally come in, because I've had to wear the last set of aligners, my month 4, week 3-4 aligners, since that time. I haven't had another set of aligners to wear, so I've just been re-wearing the same set of aligners, and that's not bad, but it gets annoying. Those aligners get really cruddy, and I've been having to wear those since that time, so it's been long overdue. Let's go ahead and give this package an opening. We'll see what's inside, see how much longer we actually have to wear our aligners, because that's something that they don't actually tell you. You never know how long you have to wear your aligners. From the initial point, they never tell you. So we'll see if there's anything different. We'll see if there's anything out of the ordinary that we didn't expect, if we get any new little tools or exciting little doodads, if we can ever open it. All right, we got it. We're empty. All right, here we go. We've got month 1, week 1, week 2, week 3, 4. We've got month 2, week 1, week 2, week 3, 4. And we've got our new chewies and another little purple grabber to rip these bad boys out of our mouths. If you're not familiar with the chewies, those are actually gonna be almost like little gummies for you to bite down on to push the aligners up into your teeth to make them sit at the right point. That's something that I did that, and I still had gapping in some of my aligners. It just didn't seem like my teeth moved as they should have. So hopefully, guys, hopefully we get the fix with these aligners. We got 2 months left. Customer service, as you can tell, they hooked it up. This was at no cost, and they're helping me out to get myself my straight teeth that I always wanted. If you guys are interested in getting your hands on some Smile Direct Club aligners, they are way cheaper than braces, than Invisalign. Go ahead and click the link down below. That'll link you to Smile Direct Club so you guys can get your own set of aligners. I hope you guys enjoyed this shorter video. I will keep you all updated on the progress throughout these remaining 2 months. I hope to see you guys around in the next videos. I'll see you later. Peace.